श्रीमते रामानुजाय नमः। श्रीमते निगमान्त महादेशिकाय नमः। केशवार्य कृपापात्रं दीशमादिगुणार्णवं श्रीशठारियतीशानं देशिकेन्द्रमहं भजे प्रपद्ये निरवध्यानां निषद्यां गुणसम्पदां शरणं भवभीतानां षटकोपमुनीश्वरं वेदान्तदेशिकयतीन्द्रकटाक्षलब्धत्रय्यन्तसारमनवद्यगुणं बुधाग्र्यम् नारायणाद्य यदि दुर्यकृपाभिषिक्तं श्रीरङ्गनाथ यतिशेखरमाश्रयामः श्रीरङ्गलक्ष्मणमुनीन्द्रपदाब्जभृङ्गं श्रीवासुदेव गुरुवर्य कृपावलम्बं श्रीवीरराघव गुरूत्तमलब्धबोधं श्रीवत्सचिन्नमगमर्शनमाश्रयामः। नमः सर्वेभ्यः। जय सिया राम। अक्सर से हम इस कलयुग का नाम सुनते हैं, हमारे मन पे ये नेगेटिव थॉट्स आते हैं। So we're going to see how in this digital age we are facing this new Kurukshetra war and how to deal with it. See, Sri Ramanujacharya in his Gita Bhashya Avatarika states that Dhritarashtra, he was blind from all angles. He was not only blind because he did not have eyes. जो महाभारत युद्ध के पहले व्यास महर्षि जी धृतराष्ट्र जी को कहते हैं कि सुन लीजिए, इफ दिस वॉर इज गोइंग टू हैपन, आपका पूरा परिवार विनाश होगा. नथिंग विल बी लेफ्ट इन योर परिवार. इसको सुनकर धृतराष्ट्र जी जो व्यास महर्षि जो कहते हैं कि ऋषिवर आप जो कह रहे हैं वे सब मुझे सुनाई दे रहा है, पर सच तो ये है कि मैं उस समझ नहीं पा रहा हूं और ना ही उस पर अमल कर पा रहा हूं. So that's exactly our state. We know our digital habits are destructive, but still we are blinded by the dopamine of social media. See, like Dhritarashtra, we are also losing our family time and peace of mind because we cannot execute the change. How do we cure this blindness? Let's take the example of the first three Arvas, the Mudala Arvas, in our Sampradayam. These three Arvas lit three lamps in the darkness of a storm to find the Lord. The first lamp was lit by Poige Arvar. Poige Arvar states that வையம் தகழியா வார்க்கடலே நெய்யாக செய்யக்கதிரோன் விளக்காக செய்ய சுடராழியான் அடிக்கே சூடினேன் சொல்மாலை இடராழி நீங்குகவே என்று. Meaning that Arvar states here is that he used the entire earth, the Vayam as the lamp, the ocean as the oil, and the sun as the flame to see the Lord's lotus feet. So how do we connect this to our world today? See, our world has shrunk to the 6-inch screen. To break the digital Chakravyuh, we must first look up. Grounding ourselves in the real world created by the Lord is the first step to cure the digital blindness. The second lamp was lit by Bhudatarvar. In that Pasuram, Bhudatarvar says that அன்பே தகழியா ஆர்வமே நெய்யாக இன்புருக சிந்தை இடுதிரியா நண்புருகி ஞானச்சுடர் விளக்கு ஏற்றினேன் நாரணருக்கு ஞான தமிழ் புரிந்த நான். Arvar उस पासुरम पे कहते हैं कि he lit a lamp inside his heart using love as the lamp, involvement as the oil, and the melting mind as the wick. So how do we connect this for today's world is that, see, algorithms feed on our interest or arvam. If we are going to give our arvam to the screen, we will remain blind like Dhritarashtra. ये युद्ध को जीतने के लिए you have to shift the love from the device to the divine. So जब हमारा भक्ति becomes the oil, the digital trap loses its power. And finally, it's Peyarvar who declared saying that I saw the Lord. Peyarvar कहते हैं उस पासुरम से कि திருக்கண்டேன் பொன்மேனி கண்டேன் திகழும் அருக்கன் அணிநிறமும் கண்டேன் செருக்கிளரும் பொன்னாழி கண்டேன் புரிசங்கம் கை கண்டேன் என்னாழி வண்ணன் பால் என்று. I saw the Lord. But how did I see? Whom did I see first? He says, I met or I got the darshan of Tirukandeen, consort of Sri Mahavishnu, who is none other than Mahalakshmi. I got her darshan first, Tirukandeen, Ponmeni Kandeen. Mahalakshmi is stated in the Vedas as one who is having a golden form, Hiranya Varnyai. So, I got the darshan of Hiranya Varnyai form of Mahalakshmi. திருக்கண்டேன் பொன்மேனி கண்டேன் திகழும் அருக்கன் அணிநிறமும் கண்டேன். And then later on, I saw the entire form of Lord Mahavishnu, who's bearing the conch, the discus and everything. So how do we connect this with our digital Kali Yuga series is that, see, this is the unplugged moment. When you light the lamp of Shastras, the blue light of the phone is replaced by the Ponmeni of a purposeful life. But ये कैसे हम execute करेंगे? Even with a lamp, a storm can blow it out. That is why we need the सारथी. हमेशा स्मरण रखो कि कृष्ण अर्जुन से सारथी थे. अर्जुन के सारथी थे कृष्ण. इसलिए अर्जुन उस युद्ध में जीते. Dhritarashtra failed क्योंकि he tried to lead himself with his ego, staying blind from all angles. Arjuna won because he handed the lamp to Krishna. The three pasurams that Poigai Alvar, Bodhattalvar and Peyalvar have given us indicates that these pasurams give us the lamp, the oil, the wick. But who is the flame? Lord Krishna is the flame. In this digital Kurukshetra, you cannot exit the Chakravyuha all alone. You need the Sarathi, who is like Mallanda Tintol, one who fought with the wrestlers, okay, in the kingdom of King Kamsa during the Vipiriviravu festival that was created by Kamsa for killing Krishna. This is also quoted by Utukada Venkata Kavi in his Kriti called Swagatam Krishna, which is actually set to Mohanam Raga. He says, Mushtikasura Chanura Malla Malla Visharada Madhusudana Mushtikasura Chanura Malla Malla Visharada Kuvalaya Peter. He describes the Leelas of Lord Krishna. He says, Krishna fought with Mushtika and Chanura, the wrestlers ordered by Kamsa for killing Krishna when he was just 8 years old. So we need that Mallanda Tintol, we need that Bhujabalashali Krishna to help us get out of the Chakravyuha. Only he is strong enough to pull us out of our habits. So when the divine wisdom drives your life, your blindness completely vinash hota hai. So aaj April 23, let us resolve to move from the blindness of the screen to the vision of the Arvas. The war is won within. So we'll meet again in our upcoming series. Stay tuned. Subscribe to Tirukandin Facebook page and Raghava Watcher YouTube channel to get more episodes of this digital Kali Yuga series. And using this, you can eventually help yourself unwind from the digital Kurukshetra. Srimate Ramanujaya Namaha, Srimate Nikmata Mahadeshikaya Namaha. Namaskar.